and 1 glass of water with some salt. Come on, let's do it. Take a glass and fill it with water. Adding salt into the water, as water is the bad conductor of electricity, so we have to make it a good conductor by adding salt in it. Stir well. Take a pencil, sharpen both ends of each pencil. In the cardboard, make 2 holes with diameter equal to that of the pencil. Insert a pencil into each hole. Coil the wires of the battery snappers. One on each pencil, graphite in the pencil acts as an electrode. Connect the snapper to 9-volt battery. Immerse the free ends of the pencils in water. The bubbles will now begin to form at the summit's ends. The lead attached to the positive terminal of the battery acts on anode. The lead attached to the negative terminal acts on cathode. The bubbles formed around anode are of oxygen gas. The bubbles formed around cathode are of hydrogen gas. More bubbles are observed around cathode as compared to anode. This is because of the chemical structure of water. Each molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Hence, more bubbles of hydrogen are observed around cathode. The decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen gas due to an electric current being passed through the water. Thank you.